Hope you will be fine. Today we will study about tokens in C language. Now, suppose in a C language we have a program and this program is divided into tokens. Now, we can say that token is a smallest unit of a C program. As we know that we cannot create a sentence without using words. Similarly, we cannot create a statement without using tokens. So we can also say that tokens in C are the building blocks or component for creating a C program. Now, in C language, we have 6 categories of tokens. One is keywords, second one is identifiers, third one is constant, fourth one is strings, fifth one is special symbols, and sixth one is operators. Now, let us understand all these one by one. So, first we will discuss about keywords. Keywords are the predefined or we can say that these are the reserved words having its own importance, and each keyword has its own functionality. Has its own functionality. Since keywords are predefined, so the compiler, these are the used by the compilers, so they cannot be used as a variable names. In C language, we have 32 keywords. For example, auto, integer, struct, else, double. Now identifiers, these are used for naming variables, functions, arrays, etc. We can also say that these are user defined words. Now, third token in a C program is strings. As we know that A string is a group of character and at the end of a string there will always be a null character. In a C language, we can say that character array is a string. For example, we have taken a character array of 10, so we can initialize it with the help of learning. Now, the next keyword is operators in C language. Now, operator is a special symbol used to perform the functions Now, the data item on which the operators are applied are known as operands. For example, we have two variables a and b, and we have performed a mathematical operation, that is sum of two variables. Then these a and b are operands, and this is operator. Now, the next is u. Now, the next one is constants. A constant is a value assigned to a variable which will remain same throughout the program. Its value cannot be changed, and we can define constant in two ways. First, by using the constant keyword, and second, by using the hash define preprocessor. So hope you have understood these tokens in C language. Thank you very much.